Character.IA app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. So it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, so you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here can you're looking for Character.ai app, or just click on search, then here add character. IA is going to show for you like this. Click on it, so that it's going to take you to, when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on first stop, so then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.